This is the demo for Team 21, aka Stone Fi, and our project is called Risc-V Emulator, and it is a program that simulates the execution of assembly code. So the front end takes in an assembly code like this. Um, the user can provide initial values for registers. So like in this case, the first register number 1 has an initial value of 5. Register number 2 has an initial value of 10. Then after that, the following lines are going to be the instructions that are going to be executed by the program. So the program takes in the file path of the assembly file as a command line as a program argument. So to execute the program, um, so it's simply doing exec Risc-V Emulator, then the command line arguments. And for this iteration, we just show the contents of the registers after execution of the program. And we currently have support for just a limited number of Risc-V instructions, mostly the arithmetic instructions. So we have support for add I, add sub, shifts, so shift right, shift left, and move. And we have test files that cover all these instructions to make sure that they all work as expected. So that is what we have currently working for this sprint. In the next sprints, we are going to do a lot more work on the front end and also the back end. So on the back end, we are going to add support for more instructions, mainly the branching instructions, so BEQ, BNEQ, etc. And we're also going to have support the Boolean Boolean instructions, so AND or XOR, and stuff like that. And a lot of work is also going to be done on the front end, where we are going to transition from the command line UI to a more graphical UI. So in the end, we envision something like the Python theater, but in this case for assembly code. So the user is going to be able to move forward and backwards in the execution pipeline, and each step be able to see the contents and evolution of all the registers. Yeah, so that's what we have now, and that's what we intend to implement in the next sprint. Thank you.